Well, we're coming to the end of the month, which is the end of the quarter. Right now, Wall Street analysts are looking for a 45% decline in earnings year on year, which will be the nadir for this year. And then we see other quarters of negative comparisons. But going into 2021, large cap stocks are expected to post a 30% rise in earnings, mid caps up 50%, and small caps up more than 100%. We are officially in recession. We had the COVID cases start to advance, and we also had the Fed indicate that they're going to keep interest rates low until 2022. So I think that caused investors to think, what do they know that we don't? Basically, the market is going through a pretty traditional correction, meaning if you look historically, the sectors that fell the most during the bear market, the three sectors, this time around, they were energy, financials, and industrials, as well as the 10 sub-industries within the S&P 500 that were hit the hardest during the bear market. They're the ones that tend to advance the greatest in the 6 months after. So while the market was up about 45%, those three sectors were up 65%. Those 10 sub-industries were up 95%. So not a surprise that those are also the leaders during this most recent digestion of gains. And expectation is that they will become leaders once again, once the correction has run its course. Our expectation is that the economy will fall by less than 5% this year, but then rise by 6% next year. So yes, a V-shaped recovery with most of the carnage occurring in the first half of 2020, but then seeing a pretty sharp rebound in the second half of this year, followed by a continuation next